What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna learn how to make over $100,000 a month in less than 90 seconds selling everyday products on Amazon. Woo! What's going on, guys? We're here in the computer, and for those who don't know me, I'm Ecom Dave. I'm a six-figure Amazon FBA seller and coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. All right, guys, let's get right to it. We're here on Viral Launches Product Discovery, right? What this is a big web app that lets you filter out products on Amazon, right? So you've put in your filters, and then this tool spits out all those products on Amazon that fit your filters criteria. Okay, so we're here in the categories section. These are the winning categories that I recommend getting into if you're interested on getting into private label, right? Selling everyday products on Amazon. So these are the categories that I recommend getting into. I'm not gonna get into them right now, and we're only gonna use two filters right here, right? Okay, a monthly revenue more than $100,000 and a review count of less than 75. Okay, that's it. We're gonna show the products that fit this filters criteria, and we're gonna start the clock right now and see what we find. Let's go. Let's keep going. Well, we're looking for products that are small, right? Now you don't want to sell couches because they're gonna cost too much to ship. So this blanket looks good, and let's do one more. Let's see what comes up. Oh, come on. Clock is running. The clock is running. And these look good. And then we're gonna simultaneously run our Chrome extension. What this is gonna tell us how much money that the product is actually making. We're gonna run the tool here as well. And here we go. And look at that. $126,000 a month selling a weighted blanket. Okay, guys, that's one product. And then we have another one, $205,000 selling a, what is this? It looks like it's a rubber pond liner. Look at that, $250,000 selling one product, guys. Now, this is what most of the gurus are doing, right? So reviewing, and I'm sorry for the clickbait, guys, but this is not the right way to do product research. Okay, guys, if you look at these products, right, this is if you're doing the search this way, right, just looking at products, right, you're only this tool is only going to show you one product, right? And the problem with this is that it's not showing you the whole market. So if we go to Amazon and we're just gonna type in, for example, this product right here, it was a weighted blanket, correct, that was doing $169,000. This particular seller is doing $169,000, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you are going to make $169,000 if you sell this product, because you're not seeing the market as a whole, right? So we're gonna just type in that keyword. It's called weighted blanket, and then we're gonna see what the competition is really looking like, right? You see all these sellers, they have 700 reviews, 561 reviews, 200 reviews, 1,000 reviews, 243 reviews that are selling this exact same product. So you coming in as a new seller expecting you're going to make $160,000 with 0 reviews is completely impossible. So just put your head in the mind of the buyer, right? Whenever you've ever bought a product from Amazon, have you ever bought the product that has 0 reviews, right, instead of the product that has 2,000 reviews like this guy? So you're probably going to buy the product that has 2,000 reviews over the product that has 0 reviews. So this is not the right way to do product research. How I recommend to do product research is using this tool right here called Keyword. What this tool is going to show you is going to show you the market as a whole, right? So I like to look at products that have over 300 monthly sales, that make more than $3,000 a month of revenue, right? Because we want to make some steady income, and an average price of $15 and $60. And then we have our categories that we talked about, and then our review count. Sometimes I like to go up to 160 just to kind of have a longer net to find products, right? So then you're just gonna show the products, and then that's how we do our product research, right? You don't want to get into the markets that are doing over 100,000, because those are also extremely competitive, right? So what I recommend is sell 10 products that make $10,000 a month rather than one product that makes $100,000 a month, because that product is going to be extremely competitive, right? Riddled with Chinese hackers or you know, trying to kind of low cut you on price and all that. So again, guys, sorry for the clickbait, but that's the harsh truth. If you want to be successful in this Amazon FBA business, you have to kind of sell the products that are extremely niche, and you won't have a problem with dealing with hijackers or somebody trying to sell the same product that you are. Okay, guys? Again, if you guys are interested on working with me one-on-one and have me be your personal coach, I have sold over $600,000 worth of products on Amazon, so I kind of know what I'm talking about. I'm going to open up my one-on-one coaching program right now for you guys. I'm going to leave an application right here on the description of this video, so you guys can apply and join the program. Okay, guys, I am very selective to who gets in, so you do have to apply, and at the end of the application, then we're gonna get on a call and we can talk about how I can personally help your Amazon FBA business grow from zero to over $100,000 the right way. Okay, guys, thank you again for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I post 2 videos a week, everything about Amazon FBA, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, or you can reach me on Instagram. And if you haven't yet, please add yourself to our private Facebook group family, who is now close to 300 members, guys, and we're all a very close family. We help each other out. So if you want to do so, I'm going to leave a link on the description for you to do so. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next.